How to free up space on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to free up space in easy fast way. So first thing we do, go to TikTok and now click in the top corner on those three lines, and after that choose settings and privacy right here, and now make sure to go down and search for free app space and you will find it here. Click on it like this and now click clear and clear from here. Also for the cache you can just click clear and clear again here, and everything will be done. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.